Today, I am presenting the complete process of an integrated steel plant. This presentation explains how raw materials are converted into finished steel products. We will cover all major departments and their functions. We will also understand raw material specifications, byproducts, and process flow. Each department acts as an internal customer for the next process. Finally, we will see how sustainability is achieved through byproduct utilization. Raw material handling system is the first department in the steel plant. Its main function is receiving and handling incoming raw materials. Materials are unloaded through wagon tipplers and transported through conveyors. Screening and crushing operations are carried out here. Blending ensures uniform chemical composition. Proper material handling improves downstream process performance. This department supplies materials to several plants. In RMHS, railway rakes bring raw materials into the plant. Wagon tipplers unload materials efficiently. Stacker reclaimers store and recover materials from stockyards. Iron ore, coal, and flux materials are processed here. Iron ore generally ranges from Fe 55% to Fe 68%. Proper inventory management ensures continuous plant operation. Materials are sent to coke oven, sinter plant, and blast furnace. The coke oven plant converts coking coal into coke. Coal is heated without oxygen at high temperatures. Coke acts as fuel and reducing agent inside blast furnaces. The process is called carbonization. Coke provides strength and heat for iron making. Proper coke quality improves furnace productivity. Several useful byproducts are generated here. The coke oven process generates valuable byproducts. Coke oven gas is used as fuel in different plant areas. Coal tar is used in chemical industries. Benzol and ammonium sulfate are recovered. Coke breeze is reused in sinter plants. Byproduct recovery improves economic value. Waste generation is minimized through recycling. Sinter plant converts iron ore fines into sinter material. Fine particles cannot be directly used in blast furnaces. The process improves permeability inside the furnace. Iron ore fines are mixed with coke breeze and limestone. Ignition causes partial fusion of materials. The final product becomes porous sinter. This improves blast furnace efficiency. The sinter plant also helps recycle wastes from various departments. Dust, sludge, and mill scale can be reused. This reduces raw material